Running and maintaining a commercial kitchen is like perfecting a tricky recipe. There's no room for error, and every ingredient counts. But with many moving parts, optimizing operations can easily get pushed to the back burner. So when equipment malfunctions, it's a recipe for disaster, leading to costly repairs, revenue loss, unnecessary waste, and unhappy customers. Luckily, it doesn't have to be this way. Introducing the MQIO 9W, an enterprise-grade data collection and control device. With flexible connection options, the MQIO can extract real-time data from virtually any piece of equipment, regardless of the manufacturer, and relays real-time insights into a single application, either within MQ Insights or integrated into existing systems using our secure APIs. Imagine having a pulse on essentially every piece of equipment, helping you make smarter daily decisions. From predicting maintenance needs and preventing breakdowns, to optimizing energy consumption and enhancing food quality. The MQIO is your sous chef for performance and efficiency, paving the way for superior customer experiences. It's all powered by MachineQ's scalable IoT network for easy addition of use cases, maximum ROI, and lower TCO. Meet the growing demand for efficiency, safety, and sustainability in food service. Get started today and master the recipe for a smooth operating kitchen.